Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be discussing one of the most important features of CapCut, which is adding text to your videos. Adding text can really help you convey your message and make your videos more engaging. So in this video we will show you how to add text in CapCut. So there will be like multiple steps for this. So the step one is open CapCut and import your video. Okay, so we will open up CapCut here. The first step to adding text in CapCut is to open the app and import your video. Once you have done that, you can start adding text to your video. So for importing the video, we will just click on this new project here, and now you have to select the specific video that you wanted to add text on it. Okay, so let's select this video here, and let's click on this add option here. So the step number two is choose the text option. To add text, you will need to choose the text option from the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. This will open the text editor where you can add and customize your text. So to do this, you need to tap on this text icon here, and once you are done you will see multiple text features here, but for this video we will stick to this one where is add text. You will just tap on this one, and now here you can just add your text. Okay, so once you are in the text editor, you can start adding your text. You can choose the font and size and color of your text, and you can also add animation effects to make your text look more dynamic. So first we will add some text here. I will add like uh, hello world here. So this is the text that I added, and after adding your text you need to tap on this tick option here. Just tap on this one, and now if you want to basically customize your text, you will tap on this style option here. Okay, you will tap on this style option here, and you can see that we have a bunch of different options here, so I will be explaining each one of it. So the first one is font. Okay, so you can basically like these are the predefined fonts in the CapCut, and if you want you can actually import the custom font as well. So for this you will tap on this add font option, and here you will tap on this plus icon here, and now here you can upload the ttf or ttt file in the CapCut, and that specific font will be imported in the CapCut. So we will tap on this English here, and here you can see that we have like a bunch of different like fonts here. So let's suppose if we want to use this font, we can use this font, and above you can see that it's changing here. Okay, so let's use this font as well. Then the next option is the style option. We will go into the style option, and above you can see that we have this predefined styles here, like this one you can choose whatever style you want. And if you don't want the style from here, you can always undo this, and you can always add the text color from here. Okay, so let's suppose if you wanted to text color from here, like if I wanted the yellow text here, I will do this. And you can also increase or decrease the size of the text by this slider here. Okay, so here you can see that you can also increase or decrease the text from here, and also you can use your fingers to do this. And below here you can see the opacity. So if you want your text to hide a little bit, you can adjust the opacity of your text here. The next option that you can use is the effects option. Okay, so these are the some predefined effects that you can basically apply on the text here. So we will just, and now you can see that we have like multiple different type of effects here. Okay, so let's suppose if I wanted to use this effect, I will just tap on this one, and now you can see that we have used this effect. And these effects also have different kind of categories here, like multicolor, yellow, red, green, blue. Let's suppose if I wanted to use green, I will come up this with green here, and I will just use this one. I can use this one. So this really depends upon you on what kind of you want. The next option is animations. Okay, So if you tap on this animation option here, you can see three different animations here. The first one is in animation, then out, and then loop. So if you want to actually add some in animation here, we have different type of animation. Let's use this typewriter animation here. Click on it, and now you can see that this is the animation. This animation will apply on your text. And if you want continuous animation, you will tap on loop here and just tap on this here, the strobe board animation. So it will get downloaded. So here you can see that we have continuous animation here. So I will just use this in animation, the typewriter animation here. And next we have this bubble option here. So if you want your text to be appear in bubbles here, you can use this as well, like this here or this here. So it's all depends upon you. So the next step is to position your text. Okay, so after you have added your text, you can position it on your video. You can drag and drop the text to the desired location, and you can also resize it. So to reposition it, you will just move your finger across the screen like this. Okay, so you can just reposition your text like this, and you can also resize it like this. Okay, and after you have done all the text, you will just preview your video here. And if you want the text appear to be on the whole video like this, you will just drag and just keep it until the video ends here, like this one. So now you will just preview your video here, and after the video is done, like after you have done previewing the video here, you will just tap on this, and you can do this settings here as you want, and you can just like export your video. Okay, so there you have it, folks. That's how you add text in CapCut. Adding text can really help you elevate your videos and make them more engaging. With CapCut's text editor and animation effects, you can easily like create text that stands out. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.